Meanwhile, tonight there is now a oversight panel with the power to discipline and even remove state prosecutors.
Governor Kemp signed that bill into law today, saying that the panel will hold prosecuting attorneys accountable for their actions. 11 Alive's Bobeth Yates is live tonight from the state capitol to explain the changes this will bring. Bobeth?
Well, Ron, officials say this move today will give residents and lawmakers more options to ensure that Solicitor Generals and DAs are doing their job. And with the stroke of a pen, it was official. Governor Kemp says the state will hold district attorneys accountable.
Today, we are renewing our commitment that we won't forfeit public safety for prosecutors who let criminals off the hook.
The new law revives the Prosecuting Attorney Qualification Commission, tasked with overseeing complaints filed against district attorneys and solicitor generals. The commission can investigate alleged misconduct, discipline, remove, or even force retirement, depending on the situation.
When out-of-touch prosecutors put politics over public safety, the community suffers and people and property are put at risk.
Previous versions of the law restrict the disciplining of a DA until the Supreme Court affirmed the ruling. But in November, the state Supreme Court refused to approve the rule. The version signed today removes that requirement and gives the 8-person panel more power to move forward without the Supreme Court.
A change Athens-Clarke County resident and former state senator candidate Scott Howard says will help his community.
We have serious concerns about the job performance of our district attorney. She has been, very unsuccessful at prosecuting criminals in our area.
When the previous version of the bill was considered, many vowed to file complaints against Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis for her prosecution of former President Donald Trump. It caused many DAs across the state to speak out against the measure.
As you know, there are already legislators who have vowed come October 1st to file commission complaints against district attorneys here in Georgia for just doing their job.
And in one of her previous interviews on the matter, DeKalb County District Attorney Sherry Boston says the law is an assault on democracy.
To drag DAs in front of a commission around decisions that they have been given constitutional right to make, we are embarking on a very dangerous journey.
Now, when the law was signed into law today by the governor, it went into effect immediately, giving the commission the authorization to move forward.
All right, Bobeth, thanks for the update there. New tonight.